Hey, what's up guys, this is Akshay and today we have with us the Redmi A4. It's actually a smartphone by Xiaomi and definitely it's insane because I remember 5 years ago I bought the Motorola Moto E7 Plus. That was like 9,500. This phone is 8,700, but it has stuff 10,000 better than the Motorola one. Let's quickly unbox this one. As you can see, it's a Snapdragon Gen 2. It has 120Hz refresh rate. You have a Halo design, so this is a new premium design like glass stuff. iOS 26 is here with those glass design. You're already getting this in hardware. You have 5168 mAh of battery, 50 megapixel of dual camera, insane value for money. And I got this for 8,700 and I exchanged my Moto, that's Moto E. So this phone is actually a dad's gift for Father's Day, so cheers to them. And so I exchanged their Moto E, which I bought for 9,500 back then. So let's quickly unbox this one. Let's break the seal. So let's quickly unbox this one. Pretty nice packaging here. You have the phone itself, and this is large, guys. This is large. You have, the box says Redmi. So pretty small user guide, I would say. Pretty small user guide here. Basic stuff. Let's unbox this beast. This is the phone itself. This is pretty glassy design. I can't believe this phone is 8,000. It feels super large, super premium. Let's boot this for the first time. It says Android. Pretty nice, guys. I just love this design. You have nice 4 cameras. Now there was also a Motorola one that was again same 9,500, but you know, that was still looks like cheap phone. Though I love stock Android, but Xiaomi is taking this to next level. Like the hardware quality here, you have Xiaomi HyperOS, which is that seamless Xiaomi experience for all their devices. Let's boot this for the first time. We're gonna select English India. Pretty familiar MIUI experience. We say India. We're gonna accept policy requirements here. Set up using another device. Right now we have sold that device, so we're gonna skip this. Now I will check for SIM card, which we don't have right now. We will insert it again. We're gonna add Wi-Fi network right here. Getting your phone ready. And the UI seems to be really smooth for what phone this is. Like I remember I've used the earlier Redmi version. In fact, my first very good smartphone was Redmi 4. So this is Redmi 4A, which is weird. Oh sorry, my first was Redmi 2 Prime. Yeah, this is Redmi A4. Like this is a new series. They have probably rebranded since then. So now Redmi is a separate company as far as I know, though it's coming from me.com still. So let's sign with Google account. I will check the password. We'll be right back. So I've installed the SD card and the SIM card. So you have 2 SIM cards and 1 SD card slot, which is insane. Like it was insane for this price. Probably you don't get that with premium phones. So let's align this up and let's install. This goes only one way, which is surprising. Normally Google pays well everyone to select Google, but I think this is the new norm. Set a screen lock. So I will actually right now access here. Okay Google, all right, more, I agree, and then we can just finish this up. We're gonna disable the personalized ads. That's the Xiaomi's way of showing advertisement. Okay, send data, automatic system mixing, user experience program. Okay, system demon permissions. Okay, phone settings, Mi Sans. Okay, that's good. It's bigger, it's better. Set up a lock screen. Wallpaper carousel will show you for. No, I don't need wallpaper carousel. It shows a lot of ads. Xiaomi HyperOS preparing system. Let's begin. Setup complete. System updates. I will update it then. It's 4.1 GB, guys. That's insane. So we'll definitely complete the setup and then I will update. Pretty nice experience. The first setup is laggy, and that's with all Android phones, but that's fine. Still, it's smoother now, as you can see. You have also, this is the MIUI. I kind of have a love and hate relationship with it. Earlier it was very good, and now there are a lot of stuff here. Uh, Nonetheless, the phone is a little bit laggy because it's a setup part, but I think it will smooth it out. So we will complete the setup and we will be right back. You also have the camera. Let's see the camera quality. It says 50 megapixel. So swipe down to open menu. Okay. Camera is pretty good. As you see, it's a little bit laggy, I think, because it's updating. I'm not sure, but nonetheless, this is too much laggy, guys. Yeah, now it's smoother. Still better. Let's find out. Maybe it's downloading setup. That's why. We will be right back. So guys, it's almost 2 days I'm using the Redmi 4, probably my dad is using. So today we will share initial impressions. So overall, we are satisfied with this device. Now, some parts I like it, some parts I don't like it. The first of all is the build quality, the sound and the display feels premium. Like literally I have showed this to like 5 sort of people and none of them believe this is a phone under 10,000 rupees. They will easily tell you that this is a phone about 15,000 or 18,000. This is how well this built is. Like it's glass, it's plastic, it's super high quality. The display is gorgeous. The 120 hertz display, probably amazing. The display clarity is really good. The sound output is as good as any Mi flagship, trust me. Like the only concern is the MIUI, which I feel it's a little slower on this device. Now I don't know this is on purpose just to distinguish it between the Mi flagships, or it's how the MIUI has evolved over years. It's super like it's super apps for like there's so many apps here, there's so many bloatware here, like literally. And this is not the MIUI I used to love. Like I used Redmi 2 and I feel like Redmi 2 was faster than this device. Like if I just clear the settings, how much time it takes to load the settings, right? And in the display you have the 120 hertz, which is the unique setting point of this device. By default it's turned off, so you need to turn it on. Now I do know that once I move it to 60 hertz, I feel a device is a little bit more fluid. Like like that's I think because of the Snapdragon 4S, the processor, the Gen 2. I think it's not designed to handle 120 Hz display, but Xiaomi has somehow managed to ship it. Like I have to turn it on because the scrolling and everything is a bit faster with 120 Hz, and my dad is not really gaming on this. So for general usage, like our website, the new texture website, it's pretty smooth, and you can see the 4GB RAM. It's not that sufficient. Like it's damn smooth. Like just how a beautiful website, damn smooth on this 120 Hz display. Amazing display, amazing sound output. But again, 4GB RAM not sufficient. But I can't really complain. The price point is really small. All right, for this package, this is a great value for money. Definitely, the processor could be better. I find it a little bit bloated. Like it's a little bit, I find it slow. Like literally even the unboxing video if you show, the camera was lagging, and the camera, the 50 megapixel, for sure you get incredible details. Like the 50 megapixel camera is good, but again the refresh rate here is very slow. Like you just see there's a slight shutter delay here. Like shutter delay is one concern, but also the refresh rate is like it's not that great. Like it feels like it's lagging a little bit, and whenever the device is doing something like downloading or something, it becomes a little bit slower. So again, for someone who is just using the device for WhatsApp and some social media, some quick captures, not really a big deal. But for me, like if I'm a power user, I'm gonna have a hard time. But for me, again, they have the Mi flagship, so this is how they are selling it. Probably they want to sell the higher flagship, but nonetheless, this is a compelling package. If you're really worried about the performance, go with stock Android. You're gonna thank me later. go with any Motorola phone. But then again, Motorola OnePlus, but again, don't expect much in camera department. And I think this it's very hard to get 120 hertz display, the 5G, and you also get like a 33-watt fast charger inside the box, which itself costs 2,000 rupees, which is insane value for money. If you want in detail review of gaming camera, let me know in comments down below. Definitely would love to make this for you guys, so let me know in comments down below. Thank you for watching. We'll catch you in the next video. And by the way, the fingerprint, it's good. It's almost similar to what I was having in my Mi 11, but somehow my dad was having problems setting this up. Like, I didn't have the problem, like it's working fine, but maybe it's just that dad fingers are a little bit thicker. So again, this device is thin, it's very light, so nonetheless pretty good. And it has almost all the features. You have the latest Gemini here, so again, you're covered in software updates at least for the next 1-2 years. You do get a lot of ads in the UI. That's how the Mi works. Like, if you go with Mi flagship, you don't get ads. Like, after 3-4 years, you will get ads still. But in this device, there's loads of ads. So be prepared for that. Thank you for watching. We'll catch you in the next video. Bye bye now.